Welcome back. Today we are making scrunchies. First, grab a fabric of your choice. Then, cut a piece that measures 20 by 4 inches. Fold it in half the long ways, and then sew along the top. Next, grab a safety pin and pin it to the fabric. We're going to use this safety pin to help turn the fabric right side out. This part can get a bit challenging, but just scrunch until you get the safety pin to the other end and carefully pull it through. Next, cut a piece of elastic that measures 8 inches. Grab your safety pin and pin it to your elastic. The safety pin is going to help us feed the elastic to the tube. Make sure you are holding on tight to the other end of the elastic. Scrunch it all the way up until you get the safety pin to the other end. Don't let go of the elastic. Next, we're going to match the two ends and tie it. Before I can sew the ends together, I'm going to push the knot over to the other side so it's not in the way. Next, I'm going to grab one end and carefully tuck it in so that it can have a finished look when we sew it together. Now, I'm going to grab the side that looks unfinished, and I'm going to also tuck that into the other side. Now, let's sew it shut. It should look like this. Cut off any loose threads. And there you have it, your very own scrunchie. Now for a fluffy scrunchie, cut the fabric 20 by 5 inches and cut your elastic 7 inches long. And there you have it, a fluffy scrunchie. You can have fun with different types of fabric, like I did with this lace fabric.